All right, guys, we got a 2023 Toyota Camry. We put a high flow cat, middle resonator delete, and then we put black tips on it. Left the stock mufflers alone. Anyways, yeah, factory converters there and there. And then we did a secondary high flow right there. Middle resonator delete all the way back into the stock TRD system. Down right there. All we did was just change the tips on those, added some extensions, bring it out some more. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. A whole lot better. It's a lot louder than I thought. Sound decibels? 108. 109 that time. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '22 or '23? I can't remember. It's Camry. Mid delete, high flow cat, black tips.